The next pet owners we're meeting in Dublin are Shauna and Isabel and their corn snake, Marshmallow.
And what made you want to have a snake, Isabel?
Because I like snakes.
Where do you keep Marshmallow at home?
So like a large reptile tank called a vivarium, and then it's heated to be the right temperature.
And do they sleep at night?
They do, yes.
Ah. Are we allowed to touch them?
Yeah, sure, of course. There you go.
Okay. Yeah, oh my God. Oh no.
It's fine.
It's fine.
There you go.
Oh, I don't know about the face. Hey, Marshmallow. Hello.
I can't breathe.
I don't like the unknown when it goes up.
That's his favourite hiding place to go up your sleeve.
Is it?
That's what he loves to do, so I think he likes you.
How do you hold his head?
Just like this. So you just want him to feel safe. He's probably going to go into my sleeve soon.
So, Isabel, how often does Marshmallow eat?
Once a week, because it takes long for him to digest his foods.
And what does he eat?
A mouse.
A mouse?
Yeah.
How does that tiny little face eat a mouse?
So he would open his jaws up really wide, like a big yawn, and then he'd be able to consume the mouse.
Can you see the mouse go through its body when it eats it?
Today you can't. He got fed on Sunday last. So because they don't chew their food, the food goes down in one whole piece.
Do snakes pee and poo?
Yeah.
So they pee and poo from an area called their vent, and it's just before the end of their tail. And that's like a little snake bum.
I never knew a snake had a vent. It's a really polite name, isn't it? Vent. I just pass some wind from my vent.
So what size will Marshmallow grow to then?
He's pretty much now fully grown.
Okay.
3 to 4 foot for a male and 4 or 5 foot for a female.
Is it true that snakes don't have eyelids?
Have you ever seen Marshmallow blink?
No.
No.
Why is he sticking out his tongue like that?
So that's how he's feeling around to see where he is, if there's a mouse to eat. It's their way of knowing what's going on in their environment.
In the wild, corn snakes live in the USA, and they are called corn snakes because they are regularly found around corn barns, where they feed on mice, rats, and other small rodents. But they aren't fussy eaters and also eat birds, amphibians, and other reptiles. Corn snakes aren't venomous. They kill their prey by constricting. They mostly live on the ground, but they can climb too. Corn snakes can live to be up to 15 years old, but a white palmetto corn snake like Marshmallow probably wouldn't survive for too long in the wild because he would easily be spotted by a predator and become someone else's dinner.